Good afternoon, Diane and Daisy. Well, it's still too cold for Daisy, so she has the day off. Welcome to 75 Duchess Ave, 319-9 in Old South, the heart of Wortley Village. We're open this Saturday and Sunday, February the 10th and 11th from 2 to 4 p.m. This charming 3-bed, 2-bathroom home features an open concept living room, dining room, updated kitchen that overlooks the main floor family room, large private lot with patio to relax on, and updates galore, wiring, plumbing, roof, and there's more. Won't you please join us on Saturday and Sunday, February 10th and 11th from 2 to 4, 75 Duchess Ave, Old South, just minutes to the village. We hope to see you then.